Hello and welcome to this week's episode of Laker Nation Weather. I'm Parker Keyser. You might have heard some buzz about a potential foot or more snow. Well, I have to break it for you. Not going to happen. At least for us. Parts of southern Minnesota will actually get that along with some winds. We'll get the winds too. Let's break that down in your full weekend forecast right here on Laker Nation Weather. So before we take a look at some of those snowfall totals, let's take a look at your weather headlines. What a change from last weekend. Remember those 50s and 60s record breaker temperatures? They're going to be gone for a while. Expect them back in spring for sure. But until then, we're looking at some cooler temperatures. Strong winds with that snow for our Friday, so we will be dealing with some blustery winds as well. But again, we're staying above freezing for this weekend, so not bad, but will still be cooler than usual. Speaking of that snow for our Friday, areas in the purple here, that's a winter weather advisory. Stays in effect until Saturday about 6 a.m. Areas around here that are in at McLeod, Carver, and Sibley County, so they will be the ones in that 4-hour area. And then the portions in the orange, that's a blizzard warning in effect until Saturday morning at 6 a.m. So 6 a.m. seems to be the cutoff line. Some areas that are in that Nicollet and Rice County, so they will be dealing with those blizzard-like conditions. One of the models that I've been kind of watching closely for the system originally had this huge band of snow up a lot, about a couple hundred miles north, to the point that we were in this bullseye zone. This model has dramatically changed, and now we're not even looking at much. Possibly with this model's prediction, less than an inch of snow for portions of, Howard Lake, Waverly, Winsted, Hutch, those areas. Areas down towards the south, dark purple, 10 to 12 inches of snow. That's what we could have been dealing with, but that's not what we'll be seeing. National Weather Service put out this graphic. Now, I think it's overdoing it a little bit for us. They're putting it about 1 to 2 inches for the Hutch, kind of this little area that has, portions of Wright County and more McLeod County in there. I'm going with potentially from 1/10 of an inch of snow to 2 inches of snow. A huge bracket right there, but the only thing that's going to change that is if the snowstorm moves more north or more south. If it goes more south, we probably won't even see anything. If it goes a little bit more north, we'll see some snow. Areas down towards the south, 12 to 16 inches of snow. That's a lot of snow for areas down south. Into the yellow area, that's where we're seeing that 6 to 8. And the areas in the kind of that lighter orange, that's going to be our 8 to 10 inch snow zone. But going away from some of those Friday totals, let's talk about today. Today topped off at 39 degrees. Woke up this morning at 31, still way above average. Average highs for this time of the year is about 32. The wake-up temperature of 16, so still above average, which we'll take it. Not even close, though, to our record high, 59 degrees, set back in the 1800s, 20 below. So we have been cold, too. It's Minnesota, so we can get cold, but nowhere close to that record low. Sunrise this morning was at 7 o'clock this morning. Sunset tonight was at 5:53. So your weekend planner, here's what we have going on for your Saturday. Mostly sunny skies. Now, I put in last week's temperatures for both Saturday and Sunday. Just kind of give a little bit of perspective. Prediction, 33. Last week, 58. A little bit colder, right? For our Sunday, partly cloudy skies. Last week was 59. We're at 35. Again, just a little bit colder. Here's what you have going on for your Friday, though. For your late morning, windy with some snow. So that's when our snow will start to come on through. So looking at temperatures in the mid-20s. For your afternoon, though, patchy blowing snow temperatures in the upper 20s. And then for your overnight, 16 degrees with those clearing skies. Here's your 7-day forecast. So after we get through our snowstorm on our Friday, we'll stay kind of steady. Temperatures in the low to upper 30s through Monday. And we're looking at chances of a wintry mix with temperatures in the mid to upper 30s for the middle to end of next week. Thanks for watching this week's episode of Laker Nation Weather. We'll see you back next week for more.